Welcome to Mr. Michael's ELA classroom. What are we going to learn today?
Hello students, today we're going to review the introduction paragraph in a descriptive essay. Then we're going to figure out how to level up our work for more marks. So what is a descriptive composition, otherwise known as an essay? So it's a short piece of writing that describes a topic, usually a specific person, place, or thing. A descriptive composition is written in the present tense. We don't want to describe what something used to look like. We want to describe what it looks like now. So a descriptive composition has an introduction, body, and conclusion. It must be at least 3 paragraphs long. Remember, 3 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3 minimum. So here's an example that we're going to go through. So describe your favorite fruit. Include all of the following. So the details of its appearance, why you like it so much, how you normally eat this fruit, and your own ideas. So the introduction paragraph, this is the first one. This is the most important paragraph in your composition, because what it does is it tells the reader what you'll be describing and how you will describe it, and it needs to be interesting. If your first paragraph isn't interesting, people are not going to continue reading. Well, except if they're your teacher and they have to, which is what I have to do. But when you make it interesting, you get more marks. So remembering, the reader is the person reading your composition, most likely me. So here we have a very simple introduction, and I'm going to show you the parts of it. So there are many delicious fruits, but my favorite fruit is mango. In the following composition, I will describe what my favorite fruit looks like, how I eat my favorite fruit, and why I like it so much. So please read on to learn more about the delicious mango. So what I will be describing, i.e. the topic, that's right there, because it is describing your favorite fruit. So my topic is, my favorite fruit is mango. And then how I will describe it is the rest. So that includes all the different components that are in the prompt or the question. So when we look at this introduction, unfortunately, after consulting the rubric, we see it's only stating the topic, but it does not really grab interest. It doesn't have a hook. It doesn't have something that makes me want to read on. So that would make it a 2. So how do we improve? So how do we make our 2 a 3 or a 4? Well, first we have to get an effective introduction that grabs the reader's attention. Engaging, purposeful introduction that hooks the reader. Hook. What is a hook? So a hook is something that catches the reader's attention and makes them want to read more. So what's the easiest way to add a hook? Is to ask the reader a question. That will get the reader's attention and make them want to continue on. So if I take my simple introduction and I add a question, I can go from a 2 to a 3 or a 4. So how would I do that? Right there. What is round, yellow, and super delicious? Give up? Well, it's my favorite fruit, the mango. So all I've done is I've added a question, and that makes it more interesting and makes people want to continue reading. So that turns our 2 into a 3 or a 4. So that's all for this lesson. Goodbye.